How can a period pain solution be fashionable? Let's ask people who have created Artemis.
Hello, everyone.
Hi, everyone. Welcome, everyone. Let me introduce Artemis. It's a smart bodysuit to change the way you feel about your period. In the past 2 decades, I experienced terrible and unbearable PMS and cramps during my menstruation, and that drove me to deepen our research. We found and stated there's lack of innovation in the market, and existing products cause side effects and drug tolerance. But we can also talk about the psychological pain. Menstruators experience shame, frustration, and isolation during this time. So that's why I started to develop Artemis. If you would look up at the dictionary, that would be the following. This is an IoT product. It contains 3 major elements. The bodysuit is made from certified materials, and it contains the 2 clinically proven technologies such as heat and microvibrations. And it has a detachable device part, which makes the communication between the hardware and the software. And there's one more thing. There's no similar product in the market because we have an Artemis app where users can personalize their pain management. They can set up different intensity levels, vibration, and save it for later to quantify the pain levels. And this is a B2C product. After downloading the app and purchasing the Artemis kit, then they can subscribe for different items such as gel pad, app premium features. And we also see big opportunity in the B2B segment, for example, technology licenses for apparel brands and distributor partners.
We can state that Artemis works. 100% of our testers felt pain relief, and even 40% of them felt reduction in other symptoms as well. According to our medical advisor, and based on the test we've done, it has also a longer lasting effect. This wouldn't be possible without my co-founder, Anna Zsófia Kormos, or myself, and our amazing advisors and partnerships on board. In 2020, March, we received an investment from High Ventures of 182,000 euros sum, which we mainly spent on product development. This phase will be done in April 2022 with a crowdfunding campaign and a CE certification. For the next phase, we would like to ask 46,000 euros to reach our goals of the delivery phase of the crowdfunding campaign and to get the product ready for mass production and the EU and UK market as well. Thank you very much for listening, and let us know if you have any questions. Let's change the perspective on period pain. Thank you.
Really well done. We have some suggestions in the chat about an Artemis with Gucci collaboration. Just
consider it, guys.
Exactly. There was already one question that came through, whether there are any other products that are using this technology on the market.
Yeah, there's our benchmark when we talk about this is Livia and Wearable, but they only contain the TENS module part of the device, and what we extended our product with heat and the application to make and quantify the level of pain and to reduce and personalize the pain management.
Another question, how long do you have to wear the bodysuit to have its desired effects? Does it have to be worn 24/7 during your period?
No, you don't. You can just wear it during the therapy, but you can wear it because it doesn't bother you, and you can also take out the device part, or you can wear it and not have the therapy and the heat on, or you can just like switch it on every 30 minutes, and you don't have to do anything with it. So it's absolutely up to the user.
Yeah, but it starts to reduce the pain immediately. So I think it's quite important to mention that when you start to use it, when you turn on the heat and set the levels, it reduces pain after like 2 or 3 minutes.
Right, cool. A question about consumer feedback and testing you've done so far. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Absolutely. We work in smaller sprints. So these are at the moment it's like the people is around, we always test it with 10 or 20 people. And we had like medical tests as well, concentrating on the effect of the device. We had also with the application, the customer journey, and we also had at the beginning a huge survey how people want to experience their periods. So that's how we always design and redesign the product and the application as well.
And one more question, I'm sure you asked that a lot. Why have you selected specifically a bodysuit as a solution, not any other kind of garment?
Yeah, there's a lot of opportunity to integrate in many other forms, but it's quite important to cover your body because, as I mentioned before, we used specific materials which has great heat reduction, and it also helps you to make the integration in a smoothest way. For example, it won't be visible from outside, just the device part, but all the technologies which integrated, it really feels smooth on your skin.
And also it really doesn't bother your movement this way. So it holds all the technology together, and then it won't go while you are running or moving around. It won't go this or that way, and it won't bother you throughout the day.
Cool. All right. Thank you very, very much, both. Awesome presentation. As always, everyone that keeps asking questions, you can get in touch with the founders directly as well.